अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मंसूर सलीम और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश की फर्स्ट पोएम द करेक्टर ऑफ अ हैप्पी लाइफ के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। हम ना सिर्फ वो 8 एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि हमें बुक में दिए गए हैं, बल्कि उसके अलावा हम 32 वो एमसीक्यूज भी डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि पेपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है, द करेक्टर ऑफ अ हैप्पी लाइफ इज कंपोज्ड बाय Sir Henry Wotton, William Wordsworth, William Shakespeare, Robert Frost. And the correct answer is Sir Henry Wotton. MCQ number 2 है, Sir Henry Wotton was an author, a poet, a politician, and a diplomat, barrister, lawyer, teacher. And the correct answer is option A, diplomat. MCQ number 3 है, Sir Henry Wotton was an English author, Irish author, Canadian author, Scottish author. And the correct answer is option A, English author. MCQ number 4 है, Sir Henry Wotton was born in Kent in the year 1564, 1568, 1580, 1598. And the correct answer is option B, 1568. MCQ number 5 है, Sir Henry Wotton died in the year 1639, 1642, 1750, 1770. And the correct answer is option A, 1639. MCQ number 6 है, Sir Henry Wotton died at the age of 60, 68, 71, 84. And the correct answer is 71. MCQ number 7 है, Sir Henry Wotton was a close friend of John Donne, Milton, Dryden, Shakespeare. And the correct answer is option A, John Donne. MCQ number 8 है, John Donne was a metaphysical poet, romantic poet, classical poet, new classic poet. And the correct answer is metaphysical poet. Option number 9 है, Sir Henry was a secretary to the Earl of Essex, Surrey, Wessex, Sandwich. And the correct answer is option A, Essex. MCQ number 10 है, Sir Henry Wotton was a dominant figure at the court of Queen Elizabeth, Queen Victoria, William II, William. And the correct answer is option A, Queen Elizabeth. MCQ number 11 है, Sir Henry Wotton became an ambassador at the court of Venice, Romania, Milan, Ravenna. And the correct answer is option A, Venice. MCQ number 12 है, Sir Henry Wotton became the provost at Cambridge, Eton College, Harvard, Oxford. And the correct answer is option B, Eton College. MCQ number 13 है, the term ambassador was defined by Leigh Hunt, Robert Browning, Sir Henry Wotton, Ghulam Ali Allana. And the correct answer is Sir Henry Wotton. MCQ number 14 है, Sir Henry Wotton was knighted by King James, King John, King Edward, King John. And the correct answer is option A, King James. MCQ number 15 है, in the poem The Character of a Happy Life, the stanzas are written in the form of quatrain, quatrain, sestet, couplet. And the correct answer is option A, quatrain. MCQ number 16 है, the rhyming scheme of the poem The Character of a Happy Life is AA, BB, AB, AB, ABCB, ABCC. And the correct answer is AB, AB. MCQ number 17 है, the character of a happy life concerns with the uneasy life of the satisfied man, ambitious man, happy man, depressed man. And the correct answer is option C, हैप्पी मैन। एमसीक्यू नंबर 18 है, Sir Henry Wotton wrote the poem The Character Happy Life with experience, passion, happiness, skill, and the correct answer is option A, experience. MCQ number 19 है, Flatterer's feed is an example of repetition, metaphor, alliteration, hyperbole, and the correct answer is option C, alliteration. MCQ number 20 है, according to Sir Henry Wotton, the life of a happy man is freed from rumors, sadness, flattery, success. And the correct answer is option A, rumors. MCQ number 21 है, Sir Henry Wotton's happy man prays to God for his contentment, gift, grace, praise. And the correct answer is option C, grace. MCQ number 22 है, piety is the characteristics of sad fellow, happy man, free person, ruin one. And the correct answer is option B, happy man. MCQ number 23 है, a happy man's passions are not his servants, masters, friends, relative. And the correct answer is option B, masters. MCQ number 24 है, in the spirit, the character of a happy life is deeply religious, humorous, tragic, satirical, and the correct answer is option A, religious. MCQ number 25 है, the theme of the character of happy life is patriotism, wisdom, piety, love, and the correct answer is option C, piety. MCQ number 26 है, the tone of the poem, the character of happy life is religious, nationalistic, revolutionary, patriotic. And the correct answer is option A, religious. MCQ number 27 है, the language of the poem, the character of happy life is difficult, typical, common, simple. And the correct answer is option D, simple. MCQ number 28 है, according to Wotton, a happy man prays for popularity, blessing, material things, good. And the correct answer is option B, blessing. MCQ number 29 है, whose armor is his honest thought. This line is an alliteration, simile, metaphor, imagery. And the correct answer is metaphor. MCQ number 30 है, the character of a happy life is written in the form of free verse, unrhymed verse, heroic couplet, stanza. And the correct answer is option D, stanza. MCQ number 31 है, Sir Henry Wotton's man is free from servile bands, ruling bands, salvage bonds, servile bond. And the correct answer is option A, servile bands. MCQ number 32 है, the strong retreat for a happy man is his conscience, mind, thoughts, heart. And the correct answer is option A, conscience. MCQ number 33 है, according to the poet, a happy man cares much about material uplift, character, worldly needs, finance. And the correct answer is option B, character. MCQ number 34 है, a happy man's armor is his honest thoughts, deep thoughts, clever thoughts, lofty thoughts. And the correct answer is option A, honest thoughts. MCQ number 35 है, a happy man's days are joyful, carefree, harmless, playful. And the correct answer is option C, harmless. MCQ number 36 है. According to Sir Henry Wotton, the utmost skill of happy man is simple: deception, assumption, truth, analysis. And the correct answer is option C, truth. MCQ number 37 है. The utmost skill observed by the honest man is simple truth, honesty, self-respect, loyalty. And the correct answer is option A, simple truth. MCQ number 38 है. A happy man does not serve another's order, direction, wish, will. And the correct answer is will. Option D. MCQ number 39 है. A happy man's soul is always prepared for exam, fight, quarrel, death. And the correct answer is option D, death. MCQ number 40 है. According to Henry Wotton, the deepest wounds are always given by gun, criticism, praise, sword. And the correct answer is option C, praise. तो ये थे हमारे 40 MCQs जो कि हमने डिस्कस किए और ये पेपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इम्पोर्टेंट भी हैं और उम्मीद है कि इंशाल्लाह हमारे तमाम स्टूडेंट्स पेपर के अंदर बहुत अच्छी तरह से इन MCQs को याद करके जाएंगे और बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स हासिल करेंगे।